Let's set up your calendar availability so you're only scheduled when you want to be. First, we'll go into our booking page editor and click on Hosts and Calendars. This is where you're able to link an external iCloud, Google, or Outlook calendar and allow Koalendar to automatically detect any previously scheduled meeting or commitment and prevent meetings scheduled via Koalendar from conflicting or overlapping with your existing schedule. Next, we'll scroll down to the availability section. This is where we can add our weekly availability. So these are times you're generally available to meet during the week, as long as they don't conflict with anything on your external calendar. We can add a daily break time. So this can be for lunch, for instance. The start time increments option allows us to change the intervals at which new meetings are shown. So for instance, if we change this to 15 minutes, you'll see new meetings now start in increments of 15. And the buffer time is the minimum amount of time you'll always have between meetings. So this is a great way to make sure you always have enough time to debrief after a meeting, send a quick thank you note, or get ready before your next meeting starts. We can further customize our scheduling preferences under scheduling rules. So the minimum booking notice is the minimum amount of time that you'll need before a new booking can be made. So this can be a matter of hours, days, or even weeks. You'll see if we select 48 hours here, the next 2 days are now blocked off. The maximum advance booking time frame is the maximum amount of time into the future that new meetings can be scheduled. This is again in a matter of days, weeks, or months. If we select 1 week, you'll see new meetings can only be scheduled within this time frame. And the booking limits option is a great way to make sure you don't get overwhelmed with too many meetings. This can set a maximum amount of bookings per day, week, or month. And finally, we can select whether or not to password protect our booking page. Finally, all of these customizations and controls come together in your calendar, so when someone books with you, it's really a time that works for everyone.